Welcome everyone. This is Shari Carroll for SimonsStamp.com, and we have our card kit reveal and inspiration for our card kit Dandelion Messages. I'm going to start you off with the 6x8 Dandelion Messages stamp set, which features beautiful hand-scripted messages along with groupings of dandelions. There's single dandelions, some with curves and some with straight stems, so you can mix and match these together to create your cards. Also included in this kit is the Sizzix Dandelion Wish embossing folder, and this is a beautifully deep etched embossing folder. I've created a sample using some foil paper, and you can see all the great detail using this folder and your die cut machine. We're also including the dandelion die from Simons Stamp, which cuts out the fine detail of the dandelion and stem. You'll also receive two of the Tim Holtz Ideology accoutrements, and these are little buttons that you can add to the centers of your dandelion dies. When you flip this over, you can see that little shank on the back. You can use your wire clippers to trim those off so the button will sit flat on your cards. Another item for this kit is one jar of the ThermoWeb Rena K Designs Mini Hello Yellow Neon Glitz, and this has a really great sheen to it to add some shine to your cards. The papers for this kit are 12 single-sided sheets from Creative Expressions, and this is their Dandelion Dreams. These are 8 by 8 inch papers, and they feature dandelions and pastel patterns in different configurations. There are some with mottled effects. This one's a great rainbow. There's also stripes of ombre rainbow, crinkled paper that goes from almost a yellow to a pink, and also mixtures of colors going from a pink to a green. These colors are really dreamy and they give me inspiration to do some ink blending, plus the patterns go really well with the stamp set. And another plus is the 8 by inch size is perfect for slimline cards. Also included in this kit is one sheet of the Tim Holtz Ideology 8 by 8 rose gold foiled paper. You can use this with your embossing folder or your dandelion die. We're including 3 envelopes in this kit. The first one is a metallic cornflower with that beautiful sheen, also a bright white and lemon chiffon, and all 3 of these have that peel away adhesive so you don't have to lick them to stick them. You'll also receive 4 cardstocks. We have lavender, cornflower blue, lemon chiffon from Simons Stamp, and 110-pound Nina White. And up next, I have some inspiration using the contents from this kit. I've created a card using the pattern papers, some white embossed dandelions, a little ribbon, and message below, set on top of a white panel that's been used with the embossing folder. Nina created a card with a beautifully blended background and purple dandelions. She also used a raindrop stencil with the yellow neon glitz paste. Cindy Norberg created her card using an alcohol inked background, along with white embossed dandelions and a white die-cut dandelion on top. And finally, Sydney created a card where she used the embossing folder on the crinkle pattern paper and die-cut some dandelions from vellum. I hope you've enjoyed this reveal and inspiration of our Dandelion Messages card kit. Be sure to check our blog post for additional inspiration, and as always, thanks so much for watching.